Hey there, aspiring YouTubers! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to reveal the fastest way to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, and we'll show you how it's done. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tips and tricks. Let's get started. You might be wondering why someone would want to create YouTube content without showing their face. Well, there are several reasons. Privacy concerns, shyness, or simply wanting to focus on the content rather than personal appearance. Whatever your reason, we've got you covered. Here are the top 5 no-face video ideas that can help you make money on YouTube quickly. 1. Tutorial and how-to videos. Share your expertise in a specific field by creating step-by-step guides or instructional videos. You can use screen recordings, animations, or even just your voice to explain the process. 2. Product reviews and unboxings. Share your thoughts on the latest gadgets, books, or any other products. You can film the products from different angles and add voiceover commentary. 3. Gaming videos. Record your gameplay and add commentary to entertain and engage your audience. You can also create walkthroughs, tips, and tricks videos for popular games. 4. Top lists and countdowns. Curate interesting and engaging lists on various topics, such as top 10 most beautiful places in the world, or 5 best apps for productivity. Use images, clips, and voiceover to present the information. 5. Animation and storytelling. Create animated stories or explainer videos using software like Adobe Animate or Blender. Write compelling scripts and use voiceover to narrate your stories. Now that you have some great video ideas, let's talk about monetizing your content. Here are 3 main ways to make money on YouTube without showing your face. 1. YouTube ad revenue. Once you meet YouTube's requirements for monetization, you can start earning money from ads displayed on your videos. To qualify, you'll need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Keep creating high-quality, engaging content to grow your audience and increase your ad revenue. 2. Affiliate marketing. Partner with companies and promote their products in your videos. You can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Make sure to choose products that are relevant to your content and audience. 3. Sponsored content. As your channel grows, you may attract the attention of brands who want to sponsor your videos. They'll pay you to promote their products or services in your content. Always disclose sponsored content to your audience and maintain your authenticity by only partnering with brands you genuinely believe in. To maximize your success with no-face videos, keep these tips in mind. 1. Focus on quality. Invest in a good microphone for clear audio and use high-quality images or footage to keep your viewers engaged. 2. Be consistent. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience interested and help your channel grow. 3. Optimize your videos. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your video's visibility in YouTube search results. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and ask for feedback to build a loyal community around your channel. 5. Promote your videos. Share your content on social media platforms and relevant online communities to reach a wider audience. And there you have it. The fastest way to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with dedication and persistence, you can build a profitable no-face YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.